Hey guys, so you are up to your publishing on today, which is Wednesday. And as you can see that you can also get started on creating your digital book on Book Creator. And it's really simple to do. If you go on our weekly schedule, or you can click on the link that's attached, you'll click on this. It will take you to this opening page and you will click sign in with Google. Now I am going to sign in with my other Gmail account so that I can show you just what it looks like. So you would pick the one that's your PS21 Queens account. Once you click on your email, it's going to take you to a screen which will ask for your class code. I've actually already put it in, which is why it already takes me here. And then the way to use Book Creator is really simple and really fun. And I'm going to include a couple of other tutorials as well. But what you do is you click on New Book. You pick on how you want your book to be. Now these are really for comics, and then this is really what we want to focus on, but it's up to you. You can really kind of play around with it. You could pick landscape. And then you would start with your cover, and the way to do that is you press the plus sign, and you probably want to put the text with your cover title. So let's say your book is The Three Bad Wolves and the Naughty Pig. And then you press done. You can also edit this. It could be bold. You can make it really creative. Cancel. And then also you might want to add shapes. You can add shapes in there and media, and you can even record each page. You can make it bigger, bold, underline. You can make your box, you can really make your box bigger. You can import pictures from your camera. You could draw pictures, or you can import them from the internet. And then each page will be a page in your book. So all you have to do is copy parts of your story. So maybe like your first paragraph, pop it in there, and then you can include a picture. And I'll just include a couple more tutorials just so you can get an idea of how you can create this. But all you really have to do, you don't have to retype it. You just need to copy each kind of small parts of your Google Doc, paste it into here as a text, add an image. You can do a video, audio recording, voiceover, and then you will have a final piece. So I'm excited to see what you guys come up with, and that is due on Friday. So can't wait to see how your books come along.